Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how I built a corner shelf at the end of my upper cabinets for a more custom look. We're in the middle of a kitchen remodel, and the one detail I cannot wait to add is a corner shelf to the end of our existing cabinets. We're extending the countertop to include an overhang for seating and extending our upper cabinets up to the ceiling. So it's the perfect time to add some visual interest to this area for a more custom look. The cabinet will consist of two boards that will make up the back wall. I'll rip their front edges at 45 degrees to set against the face frame, which will have outside edges also ripped at 45 degrees to set against the existing cabinet and the wall. Lastly, I'll add some shelves and cap their front edge to finish the look before I add crown molding to all of the new upper cabinets. Step one was to cut all of my plywood pieces to size with a table saw. Now, I know you could probably do this with a circular saw with its bevel set to 45 degrees, but I do think that it would be a more challenging cut. Just remember that the back wall will be 3/4 inch shorter than the side wall so that it can butt up against it but still create a perfect triangle. Next, I drilled pocket holes along the edge of the back wall and then used glue and pocket hole screws to connect it to the side wall. Then I positioned and glued the shelves, first tacking them in place with a nailer and then screwing through the backboards and into their edges for added strength. I then repeated this process for the rest of the shelves. It was now time to screw the face frame together, which I like to do with pocket hole joinery so that the joints don't separate as the wood expands and contracts. I used a little wider board for the upright styles and then mirrored my other cabinets with 1x2 rails across the bottom and shelves. At the top, I ended up using a wider board to again mirror my other cabinets and give myself a nailer for the crown molding later on. When it was time for installation, I padded out the side of my existing cabinet with a 1/4 inch plywood so that the side was flush with the edge of the face frame. Next, I threw through the corner shelf walls and into the cabinet and studs in the wall, and then installed the face frame with glue and finish nails. Once I installed the crown molding, the corner cabinet and the rest of the kitchen was ready for paint. After a few decorative details, I think this nook really enhances the area and pulls our kitchen together. To see more of our kitchen remodel or other DIY tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.